Hi guys, we're back in this series of videos where we learn how to create a great voice agent in under 30 minutes. So in this series of videos, we'll learn how to create a secretarial agent that will provide company information to a client or that will redirect the call to a human if he's not able to handle the request. And in this video, we'll configure the global settings, which is the first step if you want to create a great voice agent. So let's go right there. And the first thing you need to do is to configure the LLM model. So it's here. Since it's a simple use case that we are creating, we will choose GPT-4 Mini, but of course if you have a more advanced and complex use case, you can choose GPT-4 Zero or Mistral Large or any other model that is more advanced, as you wish. Then you need to then you can configure the initial message. So it's the first thing that the agent will say during the call. So it's right there. You can change the phrase as you wish, and you can also adjust the delay. So it's right there. And for example, in this case, the agent will speak after 1 second, but you can adapt it. Then you need to configure the language. So it's here. As it's an English-speaking agent, we'll choose English, but as you can see, there's other languages that you can choose, and many more will be added on the platform. So let's go with English. And then you can select a voice. So as you can see, there's a large panel of voice. For example, if I want to try Aiden, this voice, I can try by clicking on this button.
This will be the best product you'll ever try in your life.
Well, so it's a calm and professional voice. It will be perfect for our use case. And you can also adapt settings like stability or speed to adapt how fast your agent talks. So we'll stay at 1, but you can adapt it as you wish. Then you can add background noise to your agent. It will add an atmosphere to the call. For example, I don't know, birds chirping right there. You can try it by clicking on this button. For our use case, it's not very useful, but it can be useful in some use case. So it's a good feature. And finally, you can adapt the duration of the call right there. So for example, here I set it up to 9 minutes. So after 9 minutes, the call will be terminated, and it's very useful if you don't want to be charged too much in the call. So you set up a max duration call, and it's okay. And last but not least, you need to configure the agent-based prompts. So basically, these are the guidelines of your voice agents. There's no magical way to configure it, but I advise you to be very clear and have clear sections. For example, the role of your agent. So you explain what he does, the personality here. So you need to be polite, professional, and friendly. The context. So what I advise for this is to say that we are call start time, so the agent knows that we are the day we are. It's very useful. And finally, the rules to follow. So for example, avoid making assumptions, and if unable to assist, redirect the caller to a human representative. So that's it. We configured the general settings. And now in the following videos, we'll learn how to make great prompts in the tasks section. So see you soon. Bye.